Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to open it, press and hold the menu button. Oh, my bad. Let's go back to the home screen and press and hold the menu button again. Once the menu opens, scroll through it, find the watch settings and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called the reset. And once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option called delete data and reset settings. Basically remove everything from our watch. Once you find it, tap on it and then confirm by pressing the start button. And wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.